I know, he's crazy. He's silly. Don't eat my phone.
She's cute. She's real pretty.
Easy. She's very nice, but she doesn't always like to stand still.
No, that's okay.
Oh.
You need me?
Yeah, go ahead.
Easy. Settle down. Hey. I know, what's he doing? You gonna meet him? But she flinched with that.
Yeah, I think she's still sore. You know, she doesn't have much of a withers.
Mm-mm.
So that was mashing on those transverse spinous processes and those transverse processes. So the spinous are the ones bone of the vertebrae sticks up, and the transverse are the ones like this.
Mm-hmm. Stop it.
No, she's still chewing
No, ma'am.
Get away from that.
Come on.
I don't want her to get hurt since you said she's accident prone.
Yeah. Mostly just out in the pasture. It's a
Oh,
surprise
okay.
every day that, you know, did she hurt herself today?
I just don't want something to happen there.
Yeah. Easy, girl. Wish I had somewhere to set this thing.
Yeah. We can wait for Kelly.
Are you gonna smell that? Where are you going? Put your head up here.
So she'll let me check her neck. Oh, her TMJ's awesome. Loosey goosey, unlike the last two we did.
Uh-huh.
Wow. Oh yeah, we don't have a TMJ problem with her.
Good.
It's awesome. She's out this side.
Okay. Oh, she did have another trauma. She got attacked by a group of dogs. Yeah. So no, it didn't phase her against dogs in the least. She's a very confident horse. But she got pretty injured. They got her in her neck and took a chunk out of her side. Yeah, in my house. Yeah. Unfortunately, a rescue that we had. No. But
He's so cute.
Mm-hmm.
And I'll send you a receipt in the mail. And will you send me what you need? Yep, it'll be on the receipt. Yep, absolutely, yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, and let us know, like, wherever you're. Yeah, we got stuff to order and another one to see, so we'll see. Watch where you're gonna be. Okay.
She doesn't like that side.
Yeah.
No.
Thank you, bye.
See ya. Good luck.
Thank you.
She was sensitive right there when I was trying to pressure out too.
Maybe a holder?
You all right, girl?
Huh?
You all right? Don't push me.
See a different way.
Okay.
Why do you do it that way?
It's okay. Just makes a funny noise.
Thanks.
Is she out right there, maybe?
Okay. Shared the best time we've had. It's
Oh,
so
really?
loosey-goosey.
Good.
They were nice people.
Yeah, they were cool.
All right, now stand over there.
They're running out there. It's got her curious.
She's trying to relax.
I know.
But then something gets her jerked out.
That's in pretty good shape. Get closer.
Yeah, she shouldn't spook over that. I've
Okay.
done all sorts of stuff to her. It's just, you know, they were running out in the pasture a second ago. Hey, hey,
Okay.
settle down.
Yeah, baby.
You're licking and chewing like you like it.
It's all right, girl. Good girl. It's all right. It's all right. All right. Good girl. Settle down. It's all right.
I'll come around here, son. I'm good over there. What?
Do you want to bring her off the wall?
No, I think she's gonna run to you anyway.
It's all right. It's all right. I know. It's okay. Don't bite. I know. You can have my jacket. You can have my jacket.
Yeah. She kind of like hit the bail with her leg. I think she's like, what is that there? She just bounces off stuff, kind of.
You gonna look? You look for a second. It's okay. See that it's not gonna eat you.
Get it in there quick.
Yeah. Here while she wasn't paying attention.
Yeah. What's her name?
Dixie.
Dixie.
Oh, yeah, you said that. What ones did you do?
Oh, shit. Is that for one of us?
I don't know. You do her sternum?
Yeah. I'll write it all down.
Okay.
No, I can't remember. She got really good motion in these feet.
Oh yeah, I think that was the girl that was gonna meet at 3.
Oh, that's the 3? I thought the x-rays were 3.
Well, they were like 1:30, so I
What
don't
time is it
know.
now?
2:45.
Oh, it is that late?
Mhm.
And she's got great range of motion.
Yeah.
Rooms.
She heard the horses.
Yeah. I'll try to run now.
Mm.
Good mean. Alright, girl. Good girl. I know, it's weird.
She's being good about it.
Yeah. Yeah, usually they don't like that one at all.
Oh my God! If you knew the torture I put her through.
Yeah.
She's got really good range of motion on that.
Hey,
What's that?
back up.
Mhm. Or do you live around here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
Like 7 miles.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
good. And I think it's. Do you know Molly then?
I
She does more raining, so I don't
Yeah,
know.
I think she may be the civil state.
Oh, yeah, I don't know.
My area, I think, but I don't know.
Yeah.
Now, do y'all come here very often?
Well, this is the first time here. It sounds like she's gonna kind of try to get a routine going. So yeah, that'll be good.
Come on, Lisa.
Okay.
This is the ankle that was kind of
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
messed up with. That was her ankle. That pop.
That was her ankle.
Yeah. Well, this little filly's got a really good range of motion everywhere.
Glad to hear that.
Yeah.
she's my performance prospect.
Yeah. Now she's got good range of motion.
Go nibble.
Huh? It's okay, she's just gonna. Careful, she's gonna. Doesn't want to get in there.
Easy, girl.
Stop.
Easy.
Everything she really didn't like.
Easy. It's all right. I know. I know. Settle down.
I'll write everything down that I did. I did a bunch.
Easy, girl.
Okay. I just think she's still sore
Mm-hmm.
from that saddle deal.
Okay.
Definitely was out on her thoracic up here,
Uh-huh.
and her pelvis had shifted. Shoulder, this shoulder was out.
Oh.
Alright. I'd give her a couple days off
Okay.
and then work her lightly.
Okay.
Yeah, that ankle. But her left shoulder was out big time. Look at the right shoulder. Which one did I get first? It was the right shoulder. I mean, she wasn't terribly bad, but she was in that withers area
Mm-hmm.
in that right shoulder.
Okay.
Probably all connected, you know. Those muscles are pulling. A lot of them will connect. Their strap muscles will connect inside that scapula, the shoulder blade, in between that and the withers, the transverse processes there.
Mm-hmm.
So
Easy.
it was that sternum that shifted to the right, and the shoulder was out on the right, but her neck was out on the left. It's kind of interesting. So I would definitely put her back to work in a few days.
Okay.
You know, see how her attitude is. I'm assuming she was just uncomfortable. She's just letting you know.
Mm-hmm.
She hurt.
Yeah, because she did seem to kind of build up to it because she would tip her head out and then she'd kind of ride a little weird and then
Yeah.
get off my foot.
I mean, her back end was in pretty good shape, so it's just more on the front end with her.
Okay.
So I would just rock and roll with her.
Okay.
You
Awesome.
know? Yeah.
Yeah. You good girl.